Good day everyone, Anyamanyana Asalama Jr. from BSED 2E English. Today I'm going to discuss all about business letter. Business letter. Business letter is an act of buying and selling. Any written report done on this commercial act inside or outside the place of business becomes a technical written work called a business report. It is not only its content or subject matter that makes it a technical written work, but its formal and language as well. While any formal, memo, email, bank form, or letter format is used in business, the letter is the most preferred format by the people in the business world. Those engaged in other fields of knowledge like science, engineering, architecture, computer, medicine, and so on. Likewise, use letters in presenting knowledge and information and investigation results, technical proposals, feasibility studies, work progress, laboratory findings, and in other technical reports. Parts of business letter. A normal business letter has 8 parts. In the order of their appearance, they are letterhead, dateline, inside address, salutation, body, closing or complementary close, signature line, and notations. Letterhead. Letterhead is found at the uppermost of part of the letter. This topmost part of the letter gives these pieces of information: full name, complete address, contact numbers, and the nature of the business of the company sending the letter. Dateline. Dateline is typed 2 or 4 spaces below the letterhead. There are two standard ways of writing the date: the American way, May 8, 2011, and the British way, May 2, 2012. Inside address. Inside address is written 4 to 8 spaces below the date line on the left margin. Normally, this consists of 3 to 4 lines. The first line presents the name of the person or company and the individual or official corporate title of the like Miss, Mrs., Attorney, Doctor, President, or Manager. Salutation. Salutation or greetings is written on the left margin, 2 to 4 spaces below the inside address, since its purpose is to cheer up or greet the addressee with the use of positive words like dear, dearest, my dear. It is also called the greetings. In formal business letters, the salutation is followed by a colon. In formal or friendly letters, by a comma. Body. Body is the biggest part of the business letter. This begins 2 spaces below the salutation. The spacing is double between the paragraphs of the letter. It is part where you may convey all the messages you want your reader to understand. Of course, to do this, you may have to apply the 8 C's of a letter. Closing or complementary clause. Closing or complementary clause, it is typed 2 or 4 spaces below the body. Unlike the salutation that uses 2 punctuation marks, comma and colon, the closing uses 1 mark, the comma. If the closing is of several words, only the initial word is capitalized. Choosing the kind of complementary clause also considers the degrees of formality. Signature line. Signature line. In business letters, 2 signatures are needed: the printed or typewritten signature and the penned signature. The printed signature is typed 4 spaces below the closing. It is 4 spaces because the other 2 spaces are for the penned signature of the writer and for the fully capitalized name of the company represented by the writer. If the name of the company is in the letterhead, you may do away with your typewritten signature. Notations. Notations are the last part of the business letter. The following are the notations that come 2 spaces below the signature line. First, we have Identification initials. These are the initials of the writer or detector that the typist of transcribe. A colon, a slash mark, or a differentiation in letter size is used to separate the two kinds of initials. Second, enclosure. Sometimes, there are some important documents or papers that the writer would like to attach to the letter. This inclusion of papers in the letter would eventually be discovered by the reader through the explicit statement of these documents in the body of the letter and in the enclosure. Third, we have carbon copy. This notation is found two spaces below the last line of the signature. Its purpose is to let the reader know that a copy of the letter is sent to another person or recipient whose name is not mentioned in the address. Next, we have blind copy. If the writer, in confidence, decide to give a copy of the letter to a person not referred to in the address, he may note this as blind carbon copy or BCC on the copy of the secret recipient. The last one is postscript or PS. This may be added after the last notation. It serves as a device for emphasis. Two spaces below the identification initials or two spaces below the enclosure or CCC is where you can write the symbol PS. That would be all in my discussion in technical writing. Thank you for listening.